With our new Vercel integration, it's easier than ever to ship an app that allows users to render parameterized videos. Watch this video to see how to build a website that allows users to enter their GitHub username and download a personalized video of their GitHub contribution graph in 3D. To make it easy to get started with the new Remotion Vercel SDK, we made a template that you can deploy to Vercel with just a couple of clicks. To explain what happens when you click this button, let's bring in Anthony Xu from Vercel.
That's right, Johnny. We're only a few clicks away from having our own video rendering backend on Vercel. I'll get started by clicking deploy. Using the Remotion on Vercel template, I'll just click create. This is going to set up a repository over in my GitHub account so that we can have this code to use later. I need to add a blob store. This is going to hold on to our video renders when they are done rendering. I'll make this public for the sake of the demo and I'll click create. And just like that, we're going to have our backend ready in just a few moments. Here we are, we can add our own text. I'll say, hi, Johnny, and I'll click render. This is going to start up a sandbox in the Vercel cloud and it will start rendering our video momentarily. Let's take a quick look at Vercel Sandbox while we wait. Vercel Sandboxes are isolated compute that you can run ephemerally in the Vercel cloud. You can run real-time workloads for your AI agents. You can run user-generated code. They're isolated from the rest of your application code, so it becomes safe to run these kinds of use cases. There's a ton of different stuff you can do with Vercel Sandboxes, but for now, let's go back in, download our video. We have it available to us up in Vercel Blob, so now we can download it, and I can run this video. It's now on my laptop. I can do whatever it is I want with it. Back to you, Johnny.
Now that we have a functioning Vercel deployment, we can customize it. A new GitHub repo should have been created in your account. Clone it, install the dependencies, and run npm run dev to start your app locally. Then install the Remotion skills. Now you can fire up your favorite coding agent, for me that is Claude Code, and ask it to make some changes. I asked it to remove the default video and add an animated contribution graph. The default input field should fetch the user's contributions and each video should get a permalink. You can find the full prompt that I used in the description of this video.
Okay, Johnny, that was pretty cool. But I've seen some of the beautiful eye-catching videos you make. Make it pop.
Alright, Anthony, challenge accepted. Claude, turn this video into 3D using Three.js. The more contributions, the more extrusion each bar should have. Send it. I went back and forth with the AI until I really liked the result. I'll attach the full prompt history below the video. Only one thing remaining, and that is to ship our app. Simply push to GitHub and with that, put it live on Vercel. Before I go, a small disclaimer that this is a starter template and so it does not implement any rate limiting or caching, and so it does scale pretty well. So please be mindful of that before you share it with a large audience, and maybe just to be safe also enable the pending controls in your Vercel account. Thanks for watching, and if you ship something cool with this, please share it with us in the comments.